I'm Sarah Hashim-Waris in the Los Angeles Times newsroom. The massive rimfire burning in and around Yosemite National Park was started by a hunter's illegal campfire. The U.S. Forest Service said the hunter's name is being held pending investigation. No word yet on whether the hunter will face legal consequences. It was suspected earlier that a marijuana growing operation may have caused the fire. The rimfire, now the third largest in state history, erupted in Stanislaus National Forest on August 17th. It has cost about $81 million so far to fight the blaze, which is 80% contained. About 385 square miles of national forest and parkland have been damaged. At its peak, more than 5,000 firefighters from around the nation were battling the blaze. More than 100 buildings, including 11 homes and 3 businesses, have been destroyed. For more on this and other headlines, visit LAtimes.com, and for the latest updates on Twitter, be sure to check out @LATimes.